Okay, before I move on, I just want to reiterate how I kept my n and my 7 in the same order because I didn't have the word than or from. Because remember, than and from change the order of things. Okay, so this expression is, or this equation is n plus 7 equals 15. Now, I don't have to find n. Nothing in here tells me to find it. So all I'm doing is writing the expression or the equation. I don't have to find out what n equals. Although I could. It's pretty easy. Let's try another one. Okay, this one is a number y decreased by 4 is 3. So I'm going to use that same color. I'm going to use purple again. I want to find out what operation I'm using. So a word in here that tells me the operation is this word right here, decreased by. This was in our table that we made like forever ago. Decreased by. And then right here, hey look, I see the word is, which tells me that I'm using an equal sign. Again, I put it in a box so that I know that this is an equal sign, okay? So let's start by thinking about what does the word decreased by mean? So decreased by means subtract. Okay, so I know that I've got a subtraction sign in here. And then it says is, and I know is means equal to. Okay, so then now I'm just going to fill it out. A number y decreased by 4. So it does not say the word than or from, so I'm going to keep it in the same order. So it goes y minus 4. Is, so I've got an equal sign, is 3. Okay, so y minus 4 equals 3. That's what this expression is saying. A number y decreased by 4 is 3 is the same as y minus 4 equals 3. And again, I'm not solving it. All I'm doing is writing the equation. That's all it's asked me to do. Okay, let's do another. I'm going to start it on a new page. Okay, so I've got 48 equals 12 times p. So I'm going to use that same color that I was using before. And we're just going to find the words that are important. So the first word I'm looking for is a word that means an operation. The word times tells me what operation we're using, right? Okay, now I'm looking for any word that indicates an equal sign. I don't see the word is this time, but I do see the word equals. This is my equals. So that means I've got an equal sign, okay? So over here on the left, what does times mean? What operation? Times means, times means to multiply. So then I'm going to use multiplication over here. I know I've got an equal sign, so I'm going to put an equal sign underneath it. Okay, and then I'm just going to work left to right. It says 48 equals, so I put 48 on the left-hand side. Nothing else is on the left-hand side with that equals. Okay, and then on the right, I've got 12 times p, so I do it in the same order because there's no word than or from, so it stays 48 equals 12 times p. Cool, we've created an equation. Awesome job. Let's try another one. Okay, so this last one that I'm going to try, and then I'll give you some try-its, is 9 less than b equals 2. So the first thing, again, I'm looking for is the word that indicates my operation. Well, right here, this phrase less than indicates an operation. And then I'm looking for a word that might mean equal or an equal sign. There's no word is, but I've got the word equals again. Again, I put it in a box because I want to remember that that's an equal sign. So then on the left, let's write down less than. What operation does less than mean? Less than means to subtract, but it has that word than in it. Okay, so I need to also make a note that than switches the order. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write these things in. I'm going to put a minus sign, and I'm going to put an equal sign. Now, if I was doing this just straight up, it would be 9 minus b. But because of the word than, I need to switch the order of 9 and b. They flip directions because it says b comes first. That's what that than means. So this is actually b minus 9. Not 9 minus b. b minus 9 equals 2. Okay? All right. I'm going to give you one try-it. And the try-it is. Okay, so pause this for a second, do that problem, and then I'll give you the answer. Hopefully you came back. K increased by 10 is the same as 24, is the same as increased by, so K plus 10 equals 24.